All right, my fourth grade friends, on our work menu for Monday, Tuesday, 427 to 428. And we're jumping in to our math part. So it says The Four Seasons is a set of violin concertos by Antonio Vivaldi. It was composed in 1725. Please listen to Spring. And here's a link for the Spring Concerto here. And I'll say, pause. All right, guys, welcome back. Wow, that was inspiring. Now listen to an old favorite, The Frog and the Toad Spring. That link is right down here, and I'll say pause. All right, guys, so welcome back for our first math problem now. So make sure you listen close, and if you need to, go back and listen to this problem again to get all the information. It's a bit of a long one. The first thing that Toad and Frog wanted to do was bake mosquito cakes. Yum! They took orders from all their friends. They got 287 cake orders on Monday, 265 cake orders on Tuesday, and 298 more cake orders on Wednesday. They baked 624 cakes. Do they have enough? If not, how many more mosquito cakes do they need to bake? And I'll say pause. We can get that one going. Awesome, guys. Like I said, that was a bit of a long one, so either go back, listen to it again, or read it closely to make sure you get all the parts to that one correctly. So, moving on, it says, well, it turns out that frogs and toads, particularly in the Northeast and colder climates, spend their winters quietly tucked away while they hibernate in the mud at the bottom of lakes, hidden in logs and tucked under leaf litter. So, moving on to our next problem number 2. Sally Sue went looking for frogs. She spotted 10 in all. There were 6 in the mud and 4 in a log. So, part A, what fraction were in the mud? And I'll say pause. Okay, now for part B, says what fraction were under a log? And I'll say pause. Okay, and for part C, guys, it says decompose the number of frogs found in a log into a sum of unit fractions. And I'll say pause. All right, so I know that one had a few steps to it. And like number 1, make sure you go back and get all 3 of those parts. So our third problem, Sally Sue decided to count by multiples of 6. List the first 5 multiples of 6. Pause. All right, guys. So for problem number 4, it says, draw a rectangle with a length of 7 feet and a width of 10 feet. Find the perimeter and the area. Pause. All right, so just a few things left. There's a brain stretch right here, the first part, which is for missing multiples. Okay, link right there. Also, there is an enrichment link for a coded 100 square. All right, you do your hundreds right here. All right, guys, that's it for math. I'll talk to you in the next video.